Want to use Ubuntu on Windows 11 without installing a new operating system, without dual boot, and without risking your data in 2026. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install official Ubuntu on Windows 11 step by step, completely safe and error-free. No OS installation, no BIOS changes, no data loss at all. In this tutorial, I'll be installing Ubuntu Windows apps that runs using WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. It lets you use real Ubuntu Linux commands and tools directly inside Windows 11, just like a normal application. This is the safest way to use Ubuntu on Windows 11 in 2026. This method is perfect for beginners, learning Linux, programmers and developers, cybersecurity and ethical hack consultants, AI and data science learners, anyone who wants Linux without installing an OS. So before proceeding, make sure your PC is running Windows 11 22H2 or newer. Ubuntu app works based on updated Windows 11 builds. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, just right click on this PC and click on Properties. And here you go, scroll a little bit and here you can find version. Version must be Windows 11 22H2 and above. But I'm using Windows 11 25H2. Obviously that's the latest one. Now close it. Now click on the start menu and search for features. And here you find turn Windows feature on or off. Open it. Now here you're gonna turn on two features. One is Windows Hypervisor Platform, another one is Windows Subsystem for Linux. Make sure these two options are enabled and click on OK, and you're gonna wait here a few seconds. Now when it's completed, click on Restore and your PC will be restored. Now when your computer is restarted, click on Start and search for PowerShell. Select Run as administrator, click on Yes. Now you're gonna type WSL space dash dash install and hit enter. Now it will get installed. You're gonna wait here 10 to 15 minutes here. The time will depend on your internet speed. Now since it is done, we'll check the version. Now we'll type WSL space dash dash status and hit enter. Now you can see the default version is 2. If your version is 1, then you're gonna type WSL space dash dash set dash default dash version space 2 and hit enter. You will make the default version to version 2. Now it's done. Type exit and hit enter. Now it's done. Now just open the Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu, and here you just get Ubuntu, select it and click on Get, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to install. The time will depend on your internet speed. Now it's done, and now click on Open and close it. If you find this type of error, press any key and restore your PC into boot menu, and if you find this type of error, restore your PC into BIOS menu. If you don't know how to access the BIOS menu, you can refer this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. Now in BIOS menu, check if the SBM mode is enabled. If it is not, enable it, and if here is an Intel processor, then you're gonna find Intel virtualization platform. Turn it enabled, and now type obtain and click on OK and restart your PC again. Now it's done. Now click on start, and here you can see Ubuntu is there. Open it again. Now you're gonna wait here. It seems everything's okay. Now you just enter your PC name. I've typed take Sudama, and after typing the username, hit enter. Now you're gonna choose the password. Hit enter. Again, retype the password and hit enter, and the password says successfully. Now it's installed successfully. Now what we're gonna do is update the Ubuntu. Now type sudo space apt space update and hit enter. Now you gotta put the password. Hit enter. Now it's working. Now it's done. Now I'm gonna type sudo space apt space upgrade and hit enter. Now type Y and hit enter. Now it's upgrading. You're gonna wait here 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's completed. If you have any question or any suggestion, please comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.